Students, today we are going to learn the standard form, index form, coefficient form of a polynomial. So here I have written polynomials, standard form, index form and coefficient form. So the first polynomial is m cube minus 1 plus m. Here in the standard form we have to arrange the polynomial according to the descending index of the variable. That means the highest index should be appear first and the lowest index should appear at the last. So here we have adjusted it as m cube plus m minus 1. See children, while I am taking the polynomial or I am exchanging the place of the polynomial, I have to think about the sign. So here minus 1 will be lift up to here. So we have to pick the polynomial or the number or the coefficient with its sign itself. Therefore plus m will go here and minus m will go at the minus 1 will go at the back. So the standard form is m cube plus m minus 1. Now what is index form? So in this index form, see here, after 3 we don't have any variable present here having the index 2. So we have to consider that, and therefore we write it as m cube plus 0m square plus m minus 1. Here 0m square means 0. So the value will not change. The value or the polynomial will remain as it is. But here we got the exact descending order of the index of the variable. So 3, 2, 1 and 0. So here m cube plus 0m square plus m minus 1 is the index form of the given polynomial. Now only think of the coefficient. So for m cube the coefficient is 1, we have written here 1. For m square the coefficient is 0, we have written it 0. For m the coefficient is 1 and for minus 1 it is minus 1. And therefore the coefficient form of the polynomial m cube plus 0m square plus m minus 1 is equal to 1, 0, 1 minus 1. Similarly we are taking this polynomial 3m raised to 5 minus 7m plus 5m cube plus 2. See children, here the index are not arranged accordingly, so we have to arrange them in descending order. Therefore we have written 3m raised to 5 plus 5m cube minus 7m plus 2 in standard form. In standard form, always remember we have to arrange the variables, index of the variables as per the descending order of that index. And in index form we have to add them accordingly. That means we have to add 0, m square and all that. So here after m raised to 5, m cube is there. So m raised to 4 is absent here. That we have arranged it here. Therefore index form is 3m raised to 5 plus 0 m raised to 4 plus 5 m cube minus 0 m square minus 7m plus 2. This is the index form. Now we will see the coefficient form. So for m raised to 5 the coefficient is 3. So we have written it here 3. For m raised to 4 the coefficient is 0. For m cube the coefficient is 5. For m square the coefficient is 0. There is no sign for 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So if you put here positive, then also it will do. And for m the index, that is the coefficient, is minus 7. So we have written minus 7, and for the last it is plus 2. So 3, 0, 5, 0, minus 7 plus 2 is the coefficient form. See children, what is the highest degree or highest index of the polynomial here? It is 5. How many terms are there in coefficient form? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So always remember, while writing the coefficient form, you should check that whatever the highest index is there, the number of terms or the number of coefficients should be one more than the highest index. because here we never consider the index of the last term, that is plus 2, and it is plus 2m raised to 0. So the index are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly here the terms will appear. Okay, then the third example, x cube plus 3x minus 5. Standard form, x cube plus 3x minus 5. Here already the terms are rearranged as per the descending order. Now here we will move. For the index form, the term x square is absent. So x cube plus 0x square plus 3x minus 5 is the index form, and 1, 0, 3 minus 5 is the coefficient form. See, x cube, that is 3, plus 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of coefficients are 4. Now next example, 2 minus x cube. Here we have to arrange as per the descending order. So x cube will appear first with its sign negative. So minus x cube plus 2 is the standard form, and index form is minus x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 2 is the index form, and minus 1, 0, 0, 2 is the coefficient form.